The CCA website is designed to be very informative for parents and students, particularly those seriously considering enrollment in a virtual charter school as a viable option. It has a sleek, user-friendly design and is easily navigated. There is a main top menu designating 5 main pages and a series of drop-down subpages. All of this is duplicated at the footer of each page, which is a nice touch, especially because it is in list form. The 5 main pages center around a number of important topics for parents and students to sift through. The subpages break down these topics into manageable parts. When broken down, there is much helpful information included for prospective students and their parents. Several hours can pass by without notice as one continues to browse and gloss through it all. It is easy to get caught up and time just ticks by. This point solidifies the comprehensiveness of this website, which is impressive. Let's turn our attention to Why CCA, which has 7 subpages. Why CCA walks parents and students through cyber school basics. It goes through a series of information about how cyber school works, how learning is personalized with cyber schooling, what family services a student and their parents can expect to get once enrolled, the technology utilized, socialization opportunities that exist, frequently asked questions, and even a program guide. How to enroll. There are 5 subpages within the How to Enroll page. They cover eligibility requirements, required document checklists, how to attend information sessions and when they are, enrollment FAQ, as well as information about special ed compliance. CCA offers info sessions that are virtual so that families can spend just an hour with a webinar to learn more about the program, as well as to ask questions to educators. Within academics and programs, there are a series of 7 subpages. These subpages are dedicated to the elementary school, middle school, and high school levels, the conservatories for high schoolers, special programs offered, a comprehensive course catalog, and information about program accreditations. The course catalog is organized in a very neat way by academic school year, and what's nice about it is that it is fully interactive by guided search. A user simply needs to select the grade level, course type, and even a subject, or simply show results for all. All classes have details associated with them that describe what a student would expect in that particular class. The Programs subpage goes through the high school conservatories, the Gifted and Talented program options, English Language Learner program, as well as information on the special education program. In the Our Community page, there are 5 subpages. Family Mentors, CCA Ambassadors, Experience CCA, School Store, and Success Stories. Within the Experience CCA subpage, parents and students can take virtual tours with Tom Longenecker, the COO of Commonwealth Charter Academy. Parents and students can also learn about CCA teachers and what they do. Within the News and Events page, there are 4 subpages: Upcoming Events, Blog, Podcast, and Newsroom. As I discussed earlier, there are options for students and parents to attend virtual open house sessions. It's a little bit hard to navigate to, but when clicked on Upcoming Events, it does have all upcoming events listed, and some are in-person sessions and some are virtual Q&A sessions. Simply register for an event and get to attend via a Zoom webinar. In the podcasts subpage, are a list of episodes that parents and their students can listen to learn about such things as trips offered, flexible scheduling, and more. One page that is not listed in the main menu and only appears in the footer menu is About CCS, which houses the mission statement, information about administrators, the school board, Title I compliance, special education compliance, board policies, and method of contact. While I'm not sure exactly why it is not included, I assume it is perhaps for aesthetic purposes as well as information overload choice. For an educator and graduate student like me, facts presented in these subpages are interesting to browse through. However, a parent or student may or may not spend the extra time to do so. Overall, this website is certainly designed for those parents and students in mind within the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania that are looking to enroll.